Hello friends, welcome to Microsoft Access. In this tutorial, we will be learning about a use of table in Access. There are two ways to view a table in Access. First is Design View. For that, go to the View option on the ribbon. When you click on it, here you will find the option Design View. In Design View, you can view all the fields with data type and description. And the other way of viewing the table is Data Sheet View. For that, go to the View option on the ribbon. Here you will find the option of Datasheet View. In Datasheet View, you can display the records in tables where one row is one record and the columns header are the fields that you have defined for the database. Next is adding a new field. There are many ways to add new fields in the document. For that, click on the Add New Field, and you can also add a new field from the Data Sheet tab. On the Data Sheet tab, you will find the option of New Field. When you click on it, here you will find the dialog box of Field Templates. From there, you can add any type of new field. Next is data types. There are many types of data that are a predefined field. That a field can be predefined to hold. When you create a new field in the database, just match the data type what will be entered into the field. Next is editing the data types in fields. For that, go to the Data Sheet tab on the ribbon. Here you will find the option of data type and then click on this arrow. Here you will find the various data types. Select any one of it. You can also edit the data type from Design View. For that, go to the View option and select the Design View, and from here you can select the data type. This was the learning about how we can make a use of table in Microsoft Access. Thank you.